Hello guys, my name is Hide Ardana. This is my second time of giving a speech. Before, I have explained about mental health. Now, I will be talking about my idea how to unify the people of this world together so we can all live peacefully and stop fighting over our differences and focus more on our similarities. It all started one day when I went to the park after school. I didn't have anyone to play with, and then this boy came. He was so quiet and shy. My mom saw him and said, "Why won't you go and talk to that boy? Then you can play together." For a second, I thought it was a good idea. Once I went to the boy, asking him if he would like to play with me. He looked at me with his eyes wide open. Suddenly, he seemed confused and stared at me like I was an alien. I stared at him back. Then, he said with a Balinese accent, "Why are you speaking that way? You look weird." FYI, I was born in Bali but grew up in Java, more precisely in Banyuwangi. I felt sad because he was judging me based on my accent, and he said that I am a dog because I didn't talk like Balinese in general. So I said to him, "And why are you talking in a weird way too?" To pay him back for what he said. The boy now seemed embarrassed by what I said, and I didn't want him to be sad. Maybe I was not supposed to pay him back that way, so I got an idea. I told the boy, "I will tell you why I speak this way and tell you a little about myself. And in return, you will tell me why you talk differently and tell me a little about yourself too. Maybe after we understand each other, we can become friends instead of enemies. Then we can play together and have fun." I started explaining that I am a Javanese and we are get used to speak this way since we were born. Even though we are going to try some other new languages, we will not be able to let off from our accent. We as Indonesians have always been diverse, and it is inappropriate for us to stay away just because of language or accent differences. I see that we are each a piece in the puzzle of humanity. I will try to understand you if you try to understand me. Now back to my story. Guess what the boy did? "I would love to be your friend." Isn't that amazing? How just a sincere couple of words full of knowledge can change the whole situation. I told the boy, "Now it's your turn to tell me about yourself. I have to understand you like you understand me now." The boy started to tell his story. "I am from Gianyar. We came here for a better chance of life. My dad is a farmer. He tries to support my family by moving from place to place, finding new jobs. We moved to Denpasar last month. I'm still trying to adjust to my new school. It is just so easy for me to improve my own accent that fast. And I don't have a lot of friends. Maybe if we become friends, I can help you to understanding better in Bali," he said. I felt sad and asked him to forgive me for my ignorance when I made a comment about the way he speaks, and told the boy, "I would love to be your friend. Now let's go play." I had so much fun playing with him, and I gained a new friend too. Please now, for everyone listening to me, I hope you got the idea. We all have to start fighting ignorance with knowledge. stop picking on each other, overcome our differences. If each one of us starts to pass a good book or a nice quote, give a beautiful speech, or write an inspiring story, hopefully my generation can live in a more peaceful world. We all come from different cultures and backgrounds. The way I talk should not change how people view me in the world. Instead, we should all be judged by our characters and by our actions. Thank you for listening to me. My name is Ardana. Bye bye.